Awaba UK na what me afei me kwa adwuma baaye na amatundra bi sam say honey are you okay? Me say no baby
I'm not
okay. I'm freezing the weather is killing me the weather
but unse we nyina was nka pe camera on na eda so na memories ni nya ye record egu ho but ya bre o
na ya bre like
takwa down ho
ya bre
da ko we
ya bre I say nyame de free baby and no de ba hwe first kwa baby an yete na nyame adom ye benya ohun adwuma course 102 hwe ye benya baby papa say ye de yetena ye enne once make cho say baby partner ya na ye o hwe enne
ube miti amanfo bia te say onwene ho
yes ye sure mna nke do mo kwa aboso ne ade ade a enka ombe fie oga make money o
or you go suffer
make money saying something.
Yes, really.
Yeah.
It's left with just 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days.
For us to take your passport to Accra.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
But I haven't seen anything seriousness about you.
Honey, do you know something? We are very serious. We are very, very serious.
How?
Yeah, because of one or two things, that's why. We are trying hard to get you the balance. So we will try our possible best to get you that money.
You're trying is not enough. Yeah. Besides, I just don't want our effort to be in vain.
Yeah, it's true, but it's not me.
Or do you want me to cancel everything?
No. We are someone is owing us, yeah, and the person is doing us today, tomorrow, and I'm sure tomorrow by this time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, tomorrow by this time, we are gonna give you the rest of the money.
Are you sure?
For you guys to go and get us our visa.
Yeah, because it's left with only 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days from if today pass 2 days.
Yeah.
No worries. I'm thinking of it. Yeah, I'm thinking of it.
If you think you're not ready, you let me go. And when you're ready, then I'll come pick you up.
No. Yeah, we'll do it. We are going with you girls. We can't let you girls go and we come later. We have to go with you girls so that everything will be okay for us.
Then please be fast about everything.
I hear. You do everything. Do you know something?
Nothing.
I can't let you go. Leave me here. Sleep alone. Wake up alone. Never. How can I let this body go? Never, ever in my lifetime.
Then be fast.
I'll go with you, my lady. Yeah, my lady. The same. Charlie. Yeah. You're fast now.
time no be
But I say, yeah, you're rantem. She answer time, cry, copa. Or say, you're fast now. You're kusi. Yeah,
too much.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me anything when you leaving.
Oh, I thought you sleeping.
No, I wasn't sleeping. I was having a nap. I thought you were going to tell me, oh, babe, I'm going out to do
Oh,
something.
nah, like I
I'm
didn't
just
want to
lying down
disturb.
here.
No, don't worry. Your food is at the
It's
kitchen.
not about food. Like, at least you should tell me, babe, I'm going out with your friend. Like, going out, yeah?
Yeah, I'm cool, but I just didn't want to disturb. Just
Maybe I can accompany you across.
oh, no problem. That's some small errand. Like we will be home in a few minutes.
We are just going to see someone for 1 or 2 talks.
Business talks.
You
Nothing
come back
serious.
right now.
I'm still not clear. Are you sure you
Oh.
guys are not going to be any different girls?
Oh, come on. How can
you are
we do
here
this?
and you
It
think
doesn't matter, you know,
oh,
guys.
come
it doesn't
on,
matter.
don't do that, baby. Like I'm all yours and you are all mine. So what's your problem? Why must you even think I can think of another lady? Huh? Just be cool.
surprised when you didn't tell me.
Oh,
when
no
it
worry,
was.
like you were sleeping. Why should I be disturbing
I
you?
wasn't sleeping. I was all awake. I was having a nap. You were
Oh,
dressing,
nah.
so I thought
sweetheart,
You didn't even
just-
see me dressing up.
Just don't talk much. We are just going to meet someone for 1 or 2 discussion.
Yeah.
We will come back right now. That's why. Don't worry.
You guys should be home early, okay? Babe, you know I'm ovulating. I'm having some serious pain, so you need to come in and assist me. I can't do anything by myself, yeah?
Okay.
Be cool. Just get inside. I love you, okay? I love you more.
How do I get it do?
Okay.
Okay.
Chinese lake. That's what I'm going to you. Omo kono omo ba. Na say crowd omo pira am say na mo kɔ he. Omo so mo kɔ check ade aba. Eh. Ana akwantu ni nti na omo yes ana na.
Me dem me sure pan say is can you from the cause the last time me see trying your call be able so be scared ding. Omo san kan nti na omo kwan omo be fa so atena fie no. Nti omo we yan ka se yes mo omo yem pam omo but omo dom ti adom.
Okay, you can. Na ha. Airport run about your crying. Wow, walk of other country.
Me fa hinda. Me ko yimi ti a me anya ho na me ko.
Oh, well, playing
Ha. Ebi na me wiem.
Ay. Yeah, they am found who Charlie. Modi bo man bo we they move. Yeah, they are in them. Say parasite gas.
Ai.
Oh, kwasi afom be pay you can. Muti Ghana had big environment to say pass and mu pay you can.
Say no nti na black people ye perishing no. They ye one ye ni so.
Because people in the lack of knowledge,
My people perish.
Suppose so.
When you saw, I say, yes, to your baba.
I send me a casame a bra for him. It's in Quasia and Quasia for him, him, my enemy. I do Bonini pub, Bonini at Samiamity.
Yes, yes, we see Bonnie quite what was Cosa. I dear ye, nim that same boy ever call him.
One day born, one day die.
So,
a beer. Why do you say Uncle Heaven? I done your best such an near course one mean. Your Cotinania means any faso.
did you matter day we never just some such?
I said, okay, a so them my woods mean jay.
And almost come on your sheens. Accommodate me.
May I show some baby or movies maybe I'll be show. Come on, Combes or Monsabe Comovisa.
But when you say a free fear, copy on betray.
Hey,
we say one, ye and pry and yes, she. Ye best sorry near so, ye best sorry near Diano. I am Mr.
My bro. What did I guess? I bet if I get to guess, say you can move and you can. Oh, Munim the air bar.
She made him to way, I'm to Yuki.
Trying to cry and we are mobile. So said, you come watch at once. The near scene, I hear Tessin and 3 hours one and off us.
Why are you so eager and desperate?
Laking so one Nancy, I'm gonna soon tell me soon in our rate. Hey, I'm a boy in there, more pressure.
Beginning one, na me nim da sesa adwuma we be the say. Na me o na to say ye be chimia.
No mo na ebe. No mo. Hey, ama. Aba kenata be say ababo na ye dey by remove.
Yes.
Say kenata say one na.
Como de me ko
I see say life be expensive, but it be faking. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking. I do man the one I do why? I do man the one I do why? Na I do. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking.
Kasad ni kwa mentanye. Say kuika ni ade sana mani nyesa ni mana mema mo sika no a nka se nka obi di mochi no mu kɔ na mo kuika ni tibi sisifia ha na se obi beto ama beto no ha nanso se de bisia meni no enu nti ni maye ma dwe se me ma mu bi
Pacho yate.
ni mu number 1 me percentage meni hu agro 10% no me fani agro
Pacho yate.
And at time no amwasere no on se musire 2 months some 2 months ma to cast na wi and mamma say me de tempia no me yen quarter me yen 3 months
3 months
nti usika tuamu no se Ibia 3 months no so na unya bi kura no a
Utim de ba.
Say yeah. Me dem da 3 months na yede.
Aso na woju sika
Aso. Na de ma. Ni mum me wo ba me kya ya ma ese koto no. Me nka nipa.
Onchia de.
Nye ka ka na me kya wa na bohu se. Sei na tie. Ehihye pa. Ti me de ma mo no. Emre wo hu na ma kire mo no a ni kwa asem fum. Ofum a meyi mani sem bia yede. Atunchai. Me mitimi di me pna kura no metim di na di agro am madam fu e na yi bibi misika sem
mo fani agro
madam fu wonti ma wo be fani agro
e no kura pa
sentina ma monyeska ekwa ni mo sobolo
master
bra
ade ne de chine ya na ya betua
the key na bie mai na me the MVP to brown MVP Ibrahim
draw na
okay
na chese kwa onu se ye bench wa bo ho kra to dada
se mo be kan ye no na me dwen ho ena me so bi obi a obi kan asem kire me a mentally ni pa je da nyere enwi no ho se be ni obi ko dwen ho because asem bia eye papa no so no obi foforo dwen ho a
obe ma wa dwen asesa
ma dwen na sesa pa ti me ni obi a dwen matamo
boss
fama wo
Patoki.
So why I dance here? Who could I head in the world?
we got a bonini
Mr. Benjamin cry afraid no see we are not the Mr. Benjamin the water from
Yeah, I can't make me in Tobra. Why? Or flow you out or some so grammar. No, maybe.
thank you boss I said Patoki was
you really opanyudie
ho hye
yensemre ye beyena ya free agent no na ya kwasend this kana to na account na chese watimi ayicas ni nyina ama ye na de kina ya ti wa ahwekura na 3 months in the doors we are chakra se ka no kra ye to ne ntem kra within 2 weeks
na Honda yi the picture chere ni se bia na
Oh, don't worry.
And they am bacho
I think if you took a cram the amount say tembiano o kwa kopiska obi aniti ni ti say no
pacho mate enye no enye ampa
hu no me yam shame na so me hwe ne emrante ni bi ho no mu a na dwen no enye no no aye guniti so ono a ena
wa bonne
bo ye de boni bi
na suspect opa
enye eja asema ke betuma no kreko ya kokko ba bibira o ma amaye
enuntia me baba ko o jibisa me ka che no say ni tina wa yan sa yes eni wa fa di bi ato wo say your friend rasta ke
say we need rasta
me so nyi free ni ti so me ka wodie so wo bodam o wadam fu no na wuni no
me said yo ye TUC amatnanti
eni opanyi we de ye besere kwan na ye da asepa nyame nsu nhyira
okay yo
o man kwatente afutu no se ya fa no ye be de be
so dia mo ni ti basa be na go pesca ya mam fize uti ni se ni siti edura yi na he na nye club na anya dogo no ka ho no dia ka me fa manager ta kwa na wa se konkonfra so bole wai boss wa hol ka na wi
I'm going to find Mr. Benjamin friend no say ono so ba but ne kana benya fort o fit ebunti no obi wi ebe se bi so ya be si ya wadaro no
o ka me pese ye pie kakra na
o ka ne mewi but ono kan so wo ba oba obenya fort o kon
e ne se wo betwa na me makwa
what I was wadaro
okay e nkwe
da
some catch no
bye
chale
he
mine na ya di mo
mine no mine no unim
bo ska
se bibia so sidi a on
me de
se mepe ida se on sa kan keto ani bi no
we my pen no waka san da me de ade apese say this am here ready na di sika kuma ne bibia me sheda to kente pa kente
matis keto bi se on fanya market car masa
oh, money. Chauni, you see, I know. Once it's can only in pounds, and I will use Sikis. Young Qualaba fast.
Then young friends are career.
I am friends of career. Now we share fast night once a sound into once a sound pounds. So you see, with 20,000 or the my 20,000. There's a sub 2,000 pounds. The basic bear 170 million and I think
By
balance and I can net their 3
one again.
You the friends of career now. You share and I am for you. Some from Momus is here.
We cry on the young Uber.
And young Uber. I am going to ah, champion mine.
It is serious.
What a fashion.
Bye. Who say today is one of the happiest days in my life.
Say.
No meaning say SEO.
You go UK na somebody on the man. I'm just on him there. You do clear.
Can't ever.
I see say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. I do man the D1 na D1 why? I do man the D1 na D1 why? Na D1. I see say life be expensive.
Where have you been?
We went to town.
Went to town.
Yeah.
What do you bring?
Coffee, biscuits.
I've been missing you.
Me too.
At long last, the battle has ended.
What battle?
The ambiguity battle.
What?
The in-sequence battle. The breaking through battle. Okay. This is 2,000 pounds sterling. Yeah.
You don't mean it.
Oh, I mean it. The balance of the money.
Hey.
Yeah.
I thought you guys weren't too interested anymore.
We are. The reason is that someone was
Owing
I can
us.
smell the
yes.
pound. I can smell the
Yeah.
pound. We know.
So just now, yeah, we went for it.
Oh wow, you guys have really done well. That shows
Oh,
how serious you people
like
are.
2,000 pounds is normal.
It's normal.
It's normal.
It's not
People
any money.
like- Plenty
It's not any
people
money.
are owing us. That's why. So
We are serious to go with you girls.
yeah.
Yeah.
And now see how serious you guys are.
Yeah. So everything is set.
Have you eaten?
No, we were about to go.
But there's
inside
food in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Really?
Why? Oh.
Let's go and heat some for them.
Oh. Don't do
It's
that.
okay. Let's go.
Stop.
In fact, you guys try.
Let's go and heat some for
Try.
them.
Try.
It's your last night here.
Yeah.
So tonight it's gonna be like bomb. It's gonna be like AK-47. Big inside your destiny.
For 2 nights. Let's
For 2 nights. I wish I can carry you right now, but if I try, yo, now we can smell pepper. Yeah, we can.
You don't mean I'm a UK boy. Hey,
In it.
go back. Go back. Don't come closer to me, man.
In it. Yo,
Legit.
yo, in it.
Don't come closer to
Don't
me.
come- Do
Hey.
you know me? Hey, do you know me? Do you know me? Yeah, because we are already
Yes.
in UK. Do you know?
But if you go to UK, it doesn't mean that you should show it the sign of rudeness.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, we have to because.
Okay, baby, Inni, do you know something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next time you see me,
Yeah.
don't try to talk to me.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to blow your
Bro,
motherfucking head, man.
because the can is like.
Yeah.
Can you guys take a leave? We are coming.
Okay. Oh, let's go, baby, let's go.
I see say life be
Go, baby.
expensive,
Go, baby.
but it be faking kwa. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking